Hello friends, today in this video I am going to make a 3D Flipkart animation with the help of font awesome icon. So as you can see this example, when I hover this icon, then there have been a 3D flip animation of showing the name of each social media icon. So we are going to code this. Before coding this, I want to tell the top animation effect. Here is the first one. When I hover my social icon, then there have been a linear gradient background. Second one is the calculator. It is actually calculating the things. Third one is the animated borders. So for this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named Flipkart. On clicking on this, you find two files here. First one is the index.html and second one is the style.css. So let's open with the code editor or text editor, that is VS Code. Here I have written all the basic markup that is required. Here I have used the HTML tag, head tag, and inside the head tag I have given the title to my document, and here I have linked my CSS file. Here in the CSS file, in the body section I have given the margin 0, padding 0. Here coming back to the index.html, in the body section we have to create a div of class container, and inside this you have to create a div of class card, and inside this also you have to create a class card font and double it and back card back. There have been two phases here, card front and card back. In the card back we have used the word Facebook, and as you can see this preview here, open a new tab and just write font awesome. This is the website where I will draw my icons. Here in this sign in kits, I have my kits open here, and this how to use. Just copy this kit in the head tag where we link our other file also, and then there is no preview, so come to the icon section. Here in this just you have to write the Facebook, the icon that we want, and on clicking on it after a few times, here copy the HTML and paste it in the card front, so that the card front is the Facebook symbol and in the card back we are showing the word Facebook. So in the body section we have link also. Font size is 15 pixel, which is medium, and then font family sans serif. Display will be flex, and I miss it, and align item will be center friends, and then justify content again center. Then width will be 100%, so that the entire width will be contained. Height will be 100. VH means viewport height, so that the align or content will be at the center of the page. Here we are styling the container. Width is 150, and again the background is transparent. Height is 150 pixel, and then we are going to at the transform position. Perspective is 500 pixel. Perspective is used so that when we hover our card, then there have been a 3D motion, so we have to use the transform class perspective, as you can see, and it value depends upon depend time to time. Here the card in the card section we have written the position relative. Width will be 100% and height will be 100%. Now giving the box shadow, so that there have been a reality or anything what you want to call it. As you can see, this look pretty nice, but still it is missing than the resulting one, so we have to come to the transform. Here not transform, it is transform style. Here it was preserve 3D, I have noticed down, है then the transition is transform 1 second. After saving it, then coming to the dot card front face, and then also styling the card back face also. Here in this I am putting the position absolute, that it will take the position of the card, because in the card position we have used the relative part. Here I think you are able to understand. Here the width and height are 100%, so that the entire div is contained, and we have transferred the origin from top left corner. Here in the new tab, search for social media colors. On clicking on any website you can find and copy this, and then at the end background color will be hash this thing, and as you can see this preview, but I want the color to be white so that it will be visible from far away. After saving it, then background face visibility, back face visibility is most important in this. There are two things. First one is the transform preserve 3D, and rotate Y, and second one is the backface visibility. If you don't know, just Google it and find it out, because it is the most important. Here I have aligned the text of my div in the center by using the display flags, align item center and justify content center. I have increased the font size to 20 pixel, and then transform is capitalize each word, as you can see. Then coming to the font card back, let's style it here. In this we are going to rotate this along the y axis, so transform, and then we are going to rotate along the y axis, as we know, degree 180 degree, because it will turn from 0 to 180 degree. Here in this, whenever we hover our container, then the card will style from transform rotate y to 180 degree. After saving it, as you can see this preview, this look very nice. But one thing that resemble that, increasing the font size, it will be more whatever you want to say, that it will be more attractive or anything. So in this body I have written the body border radius 50 pixel, but it doesn't work, so don't it put on your CSS or HTML. So here is the last product, but still we are away from our result. So here copy that from the HTML and write YouTube, then whatever WhatsApp or Instagram or Twitter. So this is the WhatsApp, then it will come to the Twitter, then copy it down, then write it the Instagram. So the website that I have shown to you, fontosser.com, here I have used my kit. Then in this, go to icons, here search for WhatsApp, YouTube and Twitter, and then Instagram. So skip this process if you don't want any more icon on your web page. Here copy this class and come to the youtube.com. Here just back it, and then WhatsApp, and then in this copy this HTML and paste it here at the WhatsApp position. Then search it for Twitter, and here you can find some words, just copy them, and then we are at the last for Instagram. At the last, select this, select the HTML and paste it here. After pasting it, save it, and as you can see the product, but there have been a mistake that we have not put the margin left in the container section. So put it, there have been a gap, but the color of each thing are same, so we have to create a difference by making the YouTube YT, and in this we are going to style this by YT, and here the background color will be, just go to this and copy this. After saving, as you can, there have been no preview, so we have to cancel out this background color. As you can see this preview, but other one they are colorless, so we have to also create them to color. So here FB for Facebook, written for FB, and then saving it, then come to that, here copying this and pasting here, and then same thing I am doing like WhatsApp WA and Twitter, then WT. Again you are able to understand the thing, you can skip this process. Then TW for Twitter, and then we have to go through here and again change it, copy this and paste it here, the color hexacode decimal. Here in this last one is Instagram, I are represented by IN, copy this color and paste it here. After saving it, here last one is the representing. As you can see, our desired product is able to are in front of us. As you can see, when whenever I hover this social media icon, then there have been a flip. Thanks for watching if you have been till at the end of the video, and I hope that you will be able to successful to make this thing. Check it out. If you have been not like, please like it this video.